Hi, everyone, and welcome to Grantee.app, the AI-powered grant writing studio designed to simplify and accelerate the entire proposal preparation. At the homepage, you will see the trending opportunities from Grants.gov. When you click, you can see more details and access to the funding call. With a single click, you can create a draft proposal directly from the solicitation. We offer simple, transparent pricing, including an always-free plan. As your projects grow in complexity, you can upgrade to access more AI credits. We're also building powerful new features, including one-click submission to funding calls, a true lifesaver when deadlines get tight. Before we begin writing, let's explore some available funding calls. Grantee makes it easy to browse opportunities using our powerful search tool. You can filter by agency, funding type, award amount, or simply search by keyword. Let's look for Department of Defense opportunities across both grant, cooperative agreement, and contract categories. For our organization type, it appears there aren't many open calls at the moment. There are probably more opportunities for other than small business. But we can review this one from Department of Army. When you click an opportunity, it should take you to the official solicitation page, though occasionally some agencies may not keep their links fully updated. Let's return to the homepage and start building a strong proposal together. On the login page, you can create a free account to try out all of Grantee's features. For this demo, I'll log in using one of our developer accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean dashboard that gives you an overview of your organization and any team members collaborating on proposals. The AI Copilot also highlights funding opportunities that align well with your organization's experience. Let's take a look at this opportunity. It displays the funding amount and key call details. You could start a proposal directly from here, but for this demonstration, I'll create one manually. Grantee can automatically pull information from a solicitation link, or you can upload the solicitation document directly. I'll upload a document we're planning to apply for. The analysis usually takes less than a minute. During this time, Grantee carefully reads the solicitation, extracts the key requirements, and generates a clean, well-structured proposal template that you can use to begin writing immediately. Now we're inside the AI Writing Studio. The Grant Copilot has automatically created all the required proposal sections for us and added helpful guidance for each one. Over on the Requirements panel, you'll see a detailed list of everything the solicitation expects us to address. As we write, Grantee continuously checks our content against these requirements, making sure we stay aligned with the call and don't miss any essential elements. Let's start by drafting the project summary. You can simply ask the Grantee Copilot to generate a draft for the current section. The AI agent behind the scenes reviews your project details, interprets the requirements of the specific funding call, and adapts the writing style accordingly. After a moment, it begins populating the section with well-structured content, giving you a strong, coherent project summary to build on. If you click on any individual cell, you can easily adjust the content yourself. You can edit the text directly, change formatting, or highlight key points using bold or italic styling. Now let's move on to creating a detailed project description section. This is usually one of the longest and most complex parts of any proposal, and it often requires multiple subcomponents and technical explanations. At the top of the AI chat window, you'll see several instruction modes that control how the Copilot responds. If you just want information or clarification, switch to Ask mode, which is perfect for quick questions about the solicitation or reviewer expectations. You can also have the AI check requirements or create tasks with due dates for your collaborators. The draft mode is where the AI actually writes or edits your proposal. The Copilot will only make changes when draft mode is active. As you can see, the Copilot has created a detailed and well-structured table outlining the key activities and deliverables for each project milestone. It also generated the table caption and numbering automatically, so you don't need to worry about formatting or keeping track of references later on. Everything stays consistent and organized as your proposal grows. Okay, here is honestly one of my favorite features inside Grantee: I want to add a descriptive figure to illustrate the proposed research approach, and this is where the platform really shines. I can upload my own image, or I can let the Copilot generate a brand new, professional quality figure for me in seconds. All I have to do is type a short instruction in the cell's toolbar, and the Copilot reads the surrounding content, understands the context, and generates a figure that fits perfectly with the narrative and strengthens the section. No complicated prompts required. And just wait until you see the results. Grantee's figure generation is incredibly powerful. Behind the scenes, the system analyzes the structure of your proposal, identifies key concepts, and maps them into visual elements. It might take a moment to process, but trust me, the final output is worth it. The images come out clean, well-structured, and precisely aligned. No typos, no distorted elements, no misdirected arrows. You can also ask the Copilot to modify the figure, almost like having a graphic designer working in the background. You can adjust colors, reposition boxes, or update arrows with simple instructions. Now, let's take a look at what we've created so far and export our current progress. You can export the proposal as either a PDF or a Word document. Now take a look at how clean the formatting appears in the exported PDF document. All the section titles, headers, figures, and tables are neatly placed and properly styled. Since I've only completed 2 sections so far, the remaining sections display their instruction text placeholders, but the overall layout is already well organized and ready for further drafting.